If you always buy your fish when it's already fried, well, today I'll be showing you how to fry fish at the comfort of your home. And the best part is you're going to be using fresh cooking oil and you'll fry your fish to your own preference. I love mine a little bit crispy, especially when it's just fried. The main ingredient in this recipe is fish, of course, and I have 3 pieces of tilapia fish that I'm going to be showing you how to fry. And the recipe can work with any other type of fish. So the first step is to descale and to remove the inner organs of the fish. Luckily, I usually buy my fish when it's descaled and the inner organs are removed. So that's a pass. On to the next step, it's going to be drying your fish using a paper towel. So I'm going to be doing that. So you're going to pat dry both sides of your fish. You want the fish to be very dry before placing into the cooking oil. That step, I'm going to place my fish aside and then I'm going to use a sharp knife and cut into my fish. Then you're going to turn your fish and repeat. So it will be very easy for you to cut the slits into your fish when using a sharp knife. And the deeper the cuts go into the flesh of the fish, the better, because the seasoning is going to soak into the fish. And the next step is to add in seasoning to my fish. So the only seasoning you need to season your fish is salt. Let me tell you, the salt is going to work magic. So I'm going to scoop out my salt. Then I'm going to make sure both sides are well salted. And at this point, you're going to be placing a frying pan over high flame with enough cooking oil to fry your fish. So I'm going to salt the rest of the fish, making sure the salt gets in between the cuts. Adding in salt to a fish isn't anything new. It goes way back when people used to use salt to preserve fish. Today, we are using salt to season the fish before fry. Now, I'm going to check if the cooking oil is ready by inserting a skewer. Once I notice roughly bubbling bubbles, the oil is ready to fry my fish. The temperature of the oil matters a lot before frying your fish, because if the cooking oil is not too hot, the fish is going to stick on the pan. And if the oil is hot enough to fry your fish, it's not going to stick on the bottom. It's going to float and fry evenly. Now, I'm going to be frying one fish at a time. Fry your fish for 2 minutes on each side. After 4 to 5 minutes, this is how your fish is going to be looking like. So you're going to use a skimmer and remove the fish from the cooking oil. Then you're going to transfer into a plate lined with kitchen paper towel so that you can drain off the excess oil. Place in your next round. When done frying my fish, it's going to be crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and it will have a lovely golden brown color. So there are several ways that you can plate up your fish, maybe over some ugali, chapati, or even rice, and it's going to be totally worth it. I've served up my fish with some kachumbari, and I'm going to be making some ugali in a few together with some greens, and I'm going to enjoy my lunch. Hope you'll be giving the recipe a try.